For today's tutorial, I will be going over on how to use a quantification tool. First, activate your quantification tool up in the Home tab, hover over to your Tools panel, and select Quantification. Then select your project setup to begin. Go ahead and press Remind Me Later. This should open up your quantification setup wizard, which will prompt you to select the type of catalogs your projects will be organized under. I'm going to go ahead and select Unit Format, press Next, select Metric, click Next again, and then click Finish. In my quantification workbook, I can start correlating items in my workbook with the geometry inside. For example, if I open up the shell item, go over to Roofing, and select Roof Coverings, I can fly in my model and select a roof item. Once I selected my roof item, I can go ahead and click on the Model Takeoff drop-down and select Takeoff to Selected. This should give me a quantification on my flat roof slope. However, if I want to do a quantification of my entire model in one go, I can go ahead and select my geometry. I'm going to select the architect model. I can right-click, drop down to quantification, and take off to a new catalog item. This should create a new catalog item that mirrors your selection tree, allowing everything inside your model to have a quantification. For example, if I select this catalog item, it should contain the data collected from your model. For example, if I select guardrails, it should give me the quantification gathered on that element. To export your data, go ahead and select your import/export icon located at the top right. Go ahead and select Export Quantities to Excel, name your file, and select Save. After it's done downloading, it will prompt you to open the file after exporting. Click Yes. This Excel sheet should provide you with data gathered from your model. Thank you for watching BIM at Bernard's. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.